how to manage interest settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and on here click the 3 points and then click edit profile. Now scroll down and here we'll find interests, and as you see here you can manage your interests. You can manage your activities, interests, favorite music, favorite movies, and anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.